Okay, here's a demo of how to play the Blues Rhythm Study number 2. Here I'm just going to play the intro. It starts with an A7 chord. It's the open A string there. Then 3 notes for the A chord across the D, G and B string at 2nd fret, and the flattened 7th, the G note on the top. Then those same 2 notes, the E and the C sharp, the E and the C sharp of the A, then that descends a fret, and then descends a fret again, open 2 strings, and picking that you can see with a pick down, and then middle finger grabs the B string, so like this. It's the first section, and then we just go for the bottom couple of strings, 3 strings of that A, or even just those 2 A and E, as it says on the chart there. And then E, open E string with a pick, then G natural, G sharp, 4th fret, E, 2nd fret on the D string, and back to an E. And then we play an E7 sharp 9. So that's an E on the D string, 2nd fret, G sharp, add the G string 1st fret, and then pinky across the D and the G on the high B and G strings, all together. So break down each of those little elements and then put them together. Now, the main body of the tune is this groove. It's the A5 chord. Then we go C to C natural. Sorry, C natural to C sharp to E. You can hammer that. So you pick down on the C, hammer the C sharp, up, stroke on the E note. Or either of those are fine. So that's the basic pattern, and that's the same thing you should practice over the D, and also you need it over the E. So it's the same thing on each sets of 2 sets of strings. So you can follow it there. It goes through the blues. It goes A to D to A for a couple of bars, D for a couple of bars, A for a couple of, all using that pattern that we just did. E, D, and then it comes to bar 12-13 on the chart, and it's going to be that same intro that we did at the start. As the turnaround. When it gets to the second half, though, there's a little additional part where you play open for the first 4 bars. Open A, and you slide from the C natural to the C sharp on that, and then hit the open E. So it's second time on the second bar of that second time through, you're playing ending with the G. So this is the first bar of the second time through the blues. Second bar with that, then it same as the first bar, then this other part which goes from the G and the open A, just 2 notes, then walks up from A to B, and from G comes down to F sharp, so it's the 2nd fret on the A string and on the E string, so then goes to the C as it walks up that string, open B, E string, so, and then last beat of that bar is the C sharp on the 4th fret on the A string, and C sharp 2nd fret on the B string. Then you're into the same old stuff. D, A. Then we get to the E. We've got something slightly different. Hit the open E, and here's the little descending things that we go. So that's the E and the D note with the low E. So open E string and D at the 3rd fret, followed by E and the C sharp, so just down a fret. Then you can see me picking the B and the E with my fingers. Then we've got open G string, hammers to G sharp, and your middle finger grabs the high E. And then a form of that same D thing, we go from the flat 7th though with the D, so it's the C and the D, to the B and the D, to the A, and then C, C sharp, A, so, and then the outro, same as the intro. And then finish with the A7. Hope that's helpful.